Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, our Honorable Chief Minister has another appointment to attend, so we are slightly rushing through the schedule, and after he speaks and leaves, we'll carry on with the schedule. Good morning, sir. Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Sri Basavaraj Bommai, our energetic Honorable Minister for Large and Medium Scale Industries, Sri Murugesh Nirani ji, our guest of honor, Sri Amit Kumar ji, our well-wisher, Sri FKCCI President, Sri I.S. Prasad, keynote speakers of today, Srimati Abanti Shankar Narayanan, our Ubuntu Consortium, founder members who have worked relentlessly for days, I'm not naming them, our MC members who have come from outside, I'm not naming them, distinguished delegates from all over the country, especially the 8 presidents from different parts of India, like Goa, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Karnataka. Various women organizations, guests, and members of print and electronic media. Today is indeed one of the most happiest moments in my life, standing before you, my dear Ubuntus, and also sharing the dais with the Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka and other dignitaries. I'm really overwhelmed to see this fantastic response. I really do not know how to express my gratitude and joy to this exhibition of solidarity and camaraderie cutting across lines. I'm personally touched and humbled by the presence of all of you. Thank you for coming. As you all know, the story of Ubuntu emerges from an African tale where an anthropologist put a basket of fruits near a tree and told the children to run, and who said, whoever comes first will get the fruit. To his surprise, he saw the children holding hands and running towards the tree, shouting, Ubuntu. Curious, he asked the children what it meant, and they replied, when I am happy and the rest is miserable, how can I be happy? What a beautiful concept, and so relevant to our present-day situation, where each one is striving on his own for his happiness. Keeping this in mind, from the last 5 years, I'm cutting short everything, whatever I want to say. When I was ACS Industries and Commerce, we formed a policy for women entrepreneurs, took them on a delegation abroad, took them to exhibitions, took the women entrepreneurs from the Tier 2 cities to various B2B meetings and made them to come up in their business. I'm proud to say that we have women associations from Bidar, Gulbarga, Raichur, and Bellary from one side, and the other side from Hubli, Belgaum, Dharwad, and on the other side, Mysore, Tumkur, Shimoga, etc. So we have really grown well in Karnataka, and from a group of 25 women's associations, we've now moved to 30+ women's associations. We had held several programs for the women entrepreneurs during the COVID period. COVID period was a very bad times, and with UNDP, we started the UNDP Help Desk, Mahila Udyoga Sahavayini, and with the help of Wiki, we had a training program for life skills. With Mirabills, we had a training program for financial management, and with Uniscap, we had a training for online marketing. So this is how we continue to grow, support the women entrepreneurs, and today I'm happy to say that you've been invited by SWEEP by Madhya Pradesh to participate in January, and by FIWE at Delhi to participate in March. So we are all moving towards the women entrepreneurship. Each one of you sitting here, according to me, is a leader. Each one of you is a motivator. Each one of you is a giver. I was just wanting to say one word. There is something called the tip of the iceberg. So all of you sitting here are just the tip of the iceberg. And if you have the entire iceberg supported by the government, you can imagine what all you can achieve. As far as I would like to say last few words, that women entrepreneurs constitute 14 to 20% of the country's economy. And if the women entrepreneurs are supported, they could easily reach to 50% of the country's economy, GDP, and could also contribute to the health and wealth of the nation and the state. So I request the Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Sri Bommai, to give us all the support which you have given so far and more, so that, we can show to the entire state that Karnataka is a model state for women entrepreneurs. So since there is shortage of time, Jyoti, I hope you have kept the memorandum ready to be given to the Chief Minister. If it is not, it's on my table, please. So we all from the Ubuntu Consortium would like to give a memorandum to the Chief Minister to involve us more in women entrepreneurship, in Elevate program, give us subsidized land allotments, take us for exhibitions, give us a separate women's policy, which was there, so that, the women in Karnataka are hand-holded by the government. I once again thank all the delegates who have come today. On behalf of the government of Karnataka, the Chief Minister, the Industries Minister, I welcome all of you, and I'm sure you will enjoy today's deliberations. I extend my warm welcome to all of you again, and I'm sure that together we shall grow. Thank you very much, and just repeat what I would like to say. I am because you are. I am because you are. You are because we are. And we are because you all are. That is the spirit of Ubuntu, and let's keep going. Thank you.